Where you going?
Anthony. Anthony. Hey. What are you doing?
Does your voice show up on that?
Showed.
It does.
What are you doing, buddy? What are you doing?
Pumpkin.
What are you doing?
Hello, Pumpkin. Cutie pie.
What are you doing? Say, Grandma, I'm crawling now. Yeah. Say, I'm crawling now, Grandma. Yeah. Look at you go. Look at you go. Are you stuffing your face? Are you chewing? Yeah.
You're so cute. Careful.
If you fall and go boom.
Uh-oh. Uh-oh.
Are you rolling? Why don't you show Grandma how you stand up? No.
10:30. He's like,
You're
really
just out of it.
you want me to stand him up?
You just feel like flailing around.
Anthony, roll over and stand up.
Come on, buddy.
Anthony.
Why don't you give him something exciting to grab onto up on there? He'll hop up.
Come here. Come here, baby. What?
Oh, there he goes.
Come on, get up there.
There he goes. There he goes. Oh.
Oh, big boy.
Anthony. Anthony.
Pancake? Pancake?
Anthony.
Clap.
Say hi, Grandma.
Wait a minute.
Go.
Anthony.
Let's clap. Happy hands, it's fun to play. Count to 3, clap away. 1, 2, 3. Happy hands, hooray! Let's dance. Happy feet, dance with me. Feel the beat.
Chewing on it.
Let's salsa. Let's twist. If you're happy and you know it,
Oh, you throwing stuff now?
if you're happy and you know it, clap your hands. If you're happy and you know it, then clap with me and show it. If you're happy and you know it, clap your hands.
See if you can get him to
I
walk.
have a hand just like
Color.
you.
Oh, there he goes.
Both have hands.
Now he's getting into stuff.
Too.
Come here, bud. Come here. Come to Mama. Come on.
Let's dance.
Come on.
Oh, fall down, go boom.
Safe. Come here.
Bye-bye.
Fall down, go boom.
Come here, Scooter. Come here. Oh. Love you. Wave to Grandma.
Say hi, Grandma.
Hi, Grandma.
Say I'm feeding my face with a
No, it's
toy.
not Grandma. It's Mimi.
Ah, what do we got? Say hi.
Say hi.
Hey. Say hi.
Easy, 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 easy.
Say hi.
Ticklish. He gave up.
You're going right after it.
Let's clap. Happy hands,
Clap.
it's fun to play. Count to 5, clap away. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Happy hands. Hooray!
Did you fall down and go boom, buddy? Anthony, say hot.
Dance.
Anthony,
Happy beat. Dance with me. Feel the beat.
Anthony, say hot.
Let's twist.
Kind of a bad angle there, babe.
Salsa.
See if we can get him to say hot.
Hot.
Hot,
Say hot.
hot, hot.
Come here. Woo.
Anthony, hot.
Come here.
Let's dance.
Anthony, say hot.
Say hot.
Hot. Hot. Say hot.
Boy.
Anthony,
Say hot.
hot. Hot. Hot.
Say hot.
Hot.
Say hot.
Hot.
Say,
He's just rolling everywhere.
say hot.
Hot.
Hey, patty cake. Give me that.
Anthony, hot.
Clap.
I'm trying to hear him say hot. Anthony, say hot.
Hot.
Hot. Hot. Hot.
Teeth are bothering him in the back.
All right, Mom. Well, he's not gonna say hot, so
He said it. Oh,
I'm gonna stop this and then
We'll do more tomorrow.
yeah, we'll do some more later.
Say